Bantu nigo bagenda gusegetwa gusimeka emete asobonge buna enchire yamo yokwenda kurinda ebinto bito etanaine nabo igo eyo neganga egosegetwa no ene serikali ne buna agotumanya murikito diponi asanya
ne wiki yogochengera World Climate Action sababu watani ao baumira nase skuru yoboroso ya Kyogo yutukemeye bunge ya Kitutu chache South elio gusanga amaigerio yokwegerera lire nabo igokorinda ebito etanaine
Marieta nguru kwa Lilian Gesare Mwebi deputy teacher Kyogo primary and junior asinga kichi na wataito koteba mune skuru twagokire sana asinga project one of us aranga na imtwe tonya konyora libageri asingira yokorosi environment yeito wetera so kusumeko emete.
Today is World Climate Action Day, and we are meeting here in this institution in solidarity with other people in the world who are also celebrating the same day, because this day we mark it by planting trees, and we are doing this because of the issue related to climate injustice.
Gukona ekerekyo nigo batebanga bune skuru nigo babeire aso omostali obosyo aso kulinda mazingira anena senchira iyo gosumekemete
school na watu wanjitega sana na wani ntungora asimeka zori ya compound tora asimekire mete menge ikiagera nambe yamo emeteye iga komenta the beauty ekomeka our school to be beautiful. At the same time we get fresh hair kerto bwate mete around na bakonyanga na onembe otoko yana igere mbeo eyerengia sana.
I'm a student at Kyogo Comprehensive School, and today, as you can see, we're having a battle of fighting climate change. So we want to be part of this battle. So we're going to plant some few trees in order to fight climate change.
Omurobiro yoiga bwokulinda ebito etanaine nigole no bwaito bonene guchasemwa nyabantu
bosimeki bwemete negento kere ekiya sana whereby we are encouraging kero monto nonyena setore chinka asobwata sarake onyare ko bago gosimeke emete elinde elio emeteye enyare ko make your compound to look beautiful. At the same time it's one way of conserving the environment.
If we plant trees, they can provide pressure for our livestock. Also, trees provide sufficient air, and also trees bring rain to our climate.
To take action in terms of our health systems and also improve on climate justice so that all people in these African countries can be able to enjoy a good environment. So we are calling for resilience, we are calling for sobriety, we are calling for sustainability from both the national government and the local governments.
Nigo bono baruro kobo lyangu chese serikali na boiga bantu bonsi kobwaterana lyokorwania ogusareka kwelire noburendi anene asebiri bito etanaine.
We are calling for climate financing which is adequate, and this has to be done from the global north. And we are also calling for good payment justice. We are also calling for phasing out fossil fuels and replacing with the renewable energy. As Africa, we have not done so well in terms of use of renewable energies, and because of that, that's why we are experiencing a lot of climate change related issues in the world.
Ulipoteri kitaseni kia uwanchite kia Getembe kurigase skuru yoboroso ya Kyogo egotuke bunge ya Kitutu chache South County ya Kisii litera na igongoro kwa Dipon Asanya.